Hey, what's up? Do you remember our video about wireless earbuds with built-in Bluetooth speaker in charging case? I'm talking about the Wishless 2-in-1 music pill. If you haven't seen the video about these earbuds, I will leave the link in description. Today I want to tell you about another new wireless earbuds. Just like the previous earphones, this is 2-in-1 device. However, it doesn't have built-in speaker, but you can use the charging case as power bank. The charging case has battery capacity of 2500 mAh and USB-A port, so you can charge the smartphone. The new wireless earbuds are called AWEI T19. They cost only $29, so let's do unboxing, review and sound test of these earbuds. AWEI T19 earbuds come in this box. Here we can see the image of earphones and charging case, read about the main features and scan QR code to join AWEI WeChat. On the back you can see that earbuds are available in black and white color. There is also a specification list, but it is in Chinese and Arabic. Inside the box you will find a charging case with earbuds, extra ear tips, micro USB cable and a user manual. Okay, now let's look at charging case and wireless earbuds. As you can see, the charging case is made of two materials, matte plastic and glossy plastic. On the matte plastic there is only AWEI logo, while on the glossy plastic you can see LED display, which shows the battery level of charging case. On the back there is a USB-A port and micro USB port. As you understand, USB-A is used to charge other devices, such as smartphone. Unfortunately, AWEI T19 has only micro USB port, not USB-C. However, these are budget earbuds, under $30, so it is forgivable. Let's open the case. Here we can see the earbuds. They are made of the same matte plastic as charging case. AWEI T19 use touch control panels. To be honest, I prefer physical buttons, but the touch panels on these earbuds are quite good. There is AWEI logo, LED circle and microphone on the outside. On the inside you can see only charging connectors. As for comfort, the earbuds are quite compact and they fit comfortably in the ears. I have been listening to music for about half an hour and I didn't feel any discomfort. Okay, it's time to connect the earbuds and check the sound quality. As usual, you just need to remove the earbuds from charging case, go to Bluetooth settings on your phone and select T19. That's all, you are ready to listen to music. Before we start talking about sound quality, I want to show you available control options. First, you can play and pause the music with a single tap on any earbuds. Double tap on the right earbud to play the next song, and double tap on the left earbud to play the previous song. Triple tap on the left earbud to call voice assistant on smartphone. Triple tap on the right earbud activates the gaming mode. I forgot to tell you about the gaming mode. This is another feature of these earbuds. The latency is very small in gaming mode. However, the sound quality is getting worse. It is better to use when you don't listen to music but only play games. You can also press and hold the right earbud to volume up. If you want to volume down, then press and hold on the left earbud. It is very convenient. Do you agree? Talking about sound quality, it is very good for budget wireless earbuds. AWEI T19 has 8mm driver unit, 85 dB sensitivity and 16 ohm impedance. Also, the new earbuds have CVC noise cancelling. By the way, I forgot to say that AWEI T19 uses Bluetooth 5.0 for connection with a smartphone. The sound quality of AWEI T19 earbuds is about the same as Halo GT1. However, the new earbuds from AWEI have a better sound than Redmi AirDots. Finally, let's talk about battery of AWEI T19 earbuds. As I already said, the main feature of these wireless earbuds is a charging case. It has a capacity of 2500 mAh. You can use it as power bank to charge other devices such as smartphone. If your smartphone has 5000 mAh battery, then this charging case is able to charge your phone by 50%. Yeah, it is not too much, but this can be very useful in emergencies. As for earbuds, they have 50 mAh batteries. The manufacturer says that you can listen to music up to 5 hours on a single charge. It has really good battery life. However, the best part is that you can charge the earbuds 25 times using the charging case. Therefore, you can get 125 hours of total battery life for about 5 days. This is awesome! I like AWEI company. This is the second wireless earbuds I am testing from this manufacturer. The main feature of AWEI T19 is a large charging case which can be used as power bank, but you can also charge the earbuds 25 times. Also, I like the volume control. You can change the music volume without smartphone. The sound quality is just good. I cannot say it is the best, but it is definitely good. The price of AWEI T19 wireless earbuds is only $29. I will leave the link where you can buy them in the description under the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.